Hello, my name is Gaurish Borkar and I welcome you all to Vizro. Mathematics is a very interesting subject and it is full of patterns. Similarly, there are so many patterns that you would find in multiplication tables as well. Multiplication tables has been a very interesting and a hot topic since our childhood. Our parents used to tell us to mug them and now even we tell our kids to mug the tables. Mugging the tables naturally increase the speed of calculation. However, if you understand patterns in multiplication tables, then the whole process becomes even more joyful. Okay. In case you want to know many such methods, then I have authored a book and its name is Vedic Math for Everyone. So you may purchase that book in case you are interested in such topics. It actually covers the curriculum till class 4. It has almost everything till class 4. So in case you are interested, you are free to purchase that book. In case you like the videos, then please subscribe. I'm going to upload Vedic math videos once in a while. And in case you like this particular video or any other video, then press the like button. Please share this knowledge with your friends, your colleagues, your uh, classmates, and everybody that you think would be interested in such knowledge. Okay, so without any delay, let's start today's topic, and that is the tables of numbers ending with 9. I know you're going to say, yo, oh, I know how the table of 9 is formed. I know. Very good. However, the question is, have you really understood the pattern so that you can also apply to other numbers which actually end with 9? If not, then let's learn the pattern so that not only the table of 9 but the tables of all the numbers ending with 9 would be easier for all of you. Okay. So when we actually want to learn about the table of numbers ending with 9, first let's understand the sutras. And there are two sutras that we are going to apply today. One is Ekanyunena Poorven and the other one is Ekadhikena Poorven. Ekanyunena Poorven means one less than the one before, and Ekadhikena Poorven is one more than the one before. Okay. So first understand this pattern in the table of 9. I know you are going to say, I understand the pattern of table 9. I know this, I know that. Yes, you know it and I know that. However, I'm going to explain it a little differently. Okay. So what are you going to tell me? The pattern of 9's table is the number at 1's place diminishes by 1 and the number at 10's place increases by 1. Right? So it's correct. However, we need to understand how and why does that happen. So if you actually want to know the number at tens place, then what would you do? You actually find the number next to the number of the table. So if we are discussing table of 9, then you would actually find the next number and that is 10 and take the number at tens place of that particular number. So tens place digit in 10 is 1 and we are going to use the table of 1 for the table of 9. And at 1's place it's very easy. We are going to use the pair of the multiplier. For example, the pair of 1 is 9, pair of 2 is 8. I have created a video about fundamentals of Vedic math where I have explained the idea of pairs and the magic circle. So you may refer to that particular video. Now let's understand how this pattern was formed. So we use 1's table and then multiply 1 by the multiplier and subtract 1 from it. Okay. So if we want to know 9 ones are, then 1's table 1 ones are 1 minus 1 is 0 and naturally the pair of 1 is 9. So 9 ones are 9. Similarly 9 twos are, if we want to know that, 2 ones are 2, minus 1 is 1, and the pair of 2 is 8, so it becomes 18. Then 9 threes are, so 3 ones are 3, minus 1 is 2, and the pair of 3 is 7. 9 fives are, 5 into 1 is 5, minus 1 is 4, and pair of 5 is 5. So this is how this whole table got created. Now we are going to apply the same formula to the table of 19 and then see how it gets applied there. So this is the table of 19. The number next to 19 is 20 and tens place digit in 20 is 2. So we are going to use the table of 2, and naturally for ones place we are going to use the pairs. So 19 ones are 19. How? The pair of 1 is 9, that is at the ones place, and 2 ones are 2, minus 1 is 1, so 19 ones are 90. 19 twos are, 2 twos are 4, minus 1 is 3, and pair of 2 is 8, so 38. So this way we can build this particular table. So if we want to know 19 sevens are, then what would we do? The pair of 7 is 3, and 7 twos are 14, minus 1 is 13. So 133. This is how we get the table, the answer. Without, otherwise what would you do? You would start, oh 19 was a 19, 19 was a 8, so and so and so forth. But you don't need to do that if you understand this particular pattern. Now let's look at the table of 29. We are going to use the same formula and see the table of 29. So we know the number next to 29 is 30 and tens place digit in 30 is 3. So we are going to use 3's table, and I am sure that you know 3's table. And then ones place is the pair. So if we want to know 29 threes are, then 3 threes are 9, minus 1 is 8, and pair of 3 is 7. So the answer is 87. If you want to know 29 nines are, then 9 threes are 27, minus 1 is 26, and pair of 9 is 1. So 261. Now you know the pattern, so you can create a table of 19. You can create a table of 29. Now let's see how we can build a table of 89. I know you haven't created tables of such large numbers before, but once you understand the pattern, you will be easily able to create such tables. Now if we want to know the table of 89, and let's say we want to know 89 fives are. So pair of 5 is 5, so 5 becomes the what? 5 becomes the ones place, and we want to know the tens place and hundreds place. For that we are going to use the number next to 89, and that is 90. So we are going to use the table of 9, and 9 fives are 45. 45 minus 1 is 44. So 89 fives are 445. That's the answer. Easy, isn't it? So this way, actually, there are patterns for all the tables, and once you know the patterns of all the tables for you are going to be very, very easy, isn't it? We'll pause here today, and I'll come up with some other very interesting video about Vedic math and probably about tables as well next time. Till then, bye. Namaskar.